Hello students, now I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 9.3. Now in question number 2 we have complete the table. Here first expression and second expression is given. We will have to find the product of these two expressions. Now in the first part we have A, and A should be multiplied by B plus C plus D. So monomial should be written at first and then we will have to put the bracket, and trinomial should be written within the bracket. Okay, so B plus C plus D. Now monomial should be multiplied by the first term of the trinomial, so it's A into B. Then whatever sign we have, here we have plus sign, so we'll put plus sign. Again monomial should be multiplied by the second term of the trinomial, so it's A multiplied by C, and then again we have plus sign. Then monomial should be multiplied by the third term of the trinomial, so it's A into D. So gradually we will have to multiply by, all the terms by the monomial. Okay, so A into B is AB plus A into C is AC plus A into D is AD. Okay, now coming to second part. In the second part we have 5xy, and 5xy should be written outside of the bracket, since here we have three terms which is the trinomial, so trinomial should be written within the bracket. Okay, now monomial should be multiplied by the first term of the trinomial, so 5xy multiplied by x plus 5xy should be multiplied by the second term of the trinomial. Okay, now we have minus sign. Whatever sign we have in between we will have to put. Okay, so since minus sign we have next, so we'll put that, and then again monomial should be multiplied by the third term of the trinomial, so it's 5xy multiplied by 5. Okay, now here, now we will multiply the number at first. At here we have only 5, so we'll put 5, and then we have the variable x and y. So first we will check how many times x is present. So here is 1, here is 1, so it's 2, and y is present only one time, so it's y. Okay, now plus again 5, x is present only one time, so it's x, and y is present twice, so it's y squared, minus 5 into 5, 25 x y. Okay, now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have p multiplied by the trinomial. Monomial should be multiplied by the trinomial, so we will write the monomial at first, and then we will put the trinomial within the bracket, which is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Now gradually we will have to multiply the monomial with all terms present inside the bracket. So p into the first term of the trinomial, so p into 6p square, then we have minus sign, then p into the second term, which is p into 7p, then we have plus sign, again p should be multiplied by the third term, so p into 5. Okay, now we will write the number at first. We will write 6. Now here p is present one time and here 2 times, so it's 3. Power of p will be 3, minus 7. P is present twice, so it's p square, then 5p. Okay, now coming to fourth part. Now in the fourth part we have 4p square q square, which is the monomial, and monomial should be multiplied by the binomial, which is p square minus q square. So at first we will write the monomial 4p square q square, and then we will put the binomial p square minus q square. Okay, now we'll multiply by the first term of the binomial with the monomial, so it's 4p square q square multiplied by p square, Then we have minus sign. Now again monomial should be multiplied by the second term of the binomial. So it's 4p square q square multiplied by q square. Okay. Now we'll write 4 at first. Now p is present. Here is twice and here is twice. So it's 4. And q square is here 2. Q is present only twice. So we'll write q square minus. We'll write the number at first. It's 4. Again p square is present only twice. So it's p square, and q square is present. Here is twice and here is also twice. So it's 4. So it will be 4p to the power 4 q square minus 4p square q square. Now the last part of this question is a plus b plus c should be multiplied by abc. So at first we will have to write the monomial, which is abc here, and then we will write the trinomial, which is a plus b plus c. Okay, so if you multiply the first term of the trinomial to the monomial, then we will be having a plus abc multiplied by a plus a plus b, abc, this is the monomial, abc multiplied by the second term, which is b here, and then again we have plus sign, abc multiplied by c. Now here no number is present, only 3 variable is there. Okay, so here a is present twice, so it will be a square, and b and c is present only one time, so it's a square bc. Okay, then plus sign, then a is present only one time, so we'll write a, but b is present twice, so it's b square, and then c plus AB is present one time, but C is present twice, so ABC square. So answer of the last part will be A square BC plus AB square C plus ABC square. Okay, now coming to question number 3. Now question number 3 says find the product. So here we will have to multiply A square with 2a to the power 22 with 4a to the power 26. So at first we will multiply the numbers. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Okay, then we have the variable a only, so we'll write a. Now how many times a is present? Here is 2, here is 22, and here is 26. So if you add this all, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So a to the power 50. So answer of the first part will be 8 a to the power 50. Okay, now coming to second part. In the second part we have 2 by 3 xy multiplied by minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So here again we will multiply the number. So 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 9 by 10, and variable xy will be multiplied by x square y square. Okay, now here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 3 3s are 9. So here we have got minus 3 by 5. Now we will multiply the variable. So here x is present one time, and here we have 3 times. Here we have 2 times. So 2 plus 1, 3. So power of x will be 3. And here a y is present one time, and here 2 times. So it will be 3 again. So answer of the second part will be minus 3 by 4 x cube y cube. Okay. Now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have minus 10 by 3 p cube multiplied by 6 by 5 p cube. So we'll multiply the number at first. We'll multiply the numbers separately. Okay. And then we will multiply the variable, which is p cube multiplied by p cube. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So here we have minus sign. We'll put minus sign at first. So 2 2s are 4. Now we will multiply the variable. Here variable is p and q, right? Here p is present one time, and here p is present 3 times. So it will be 4 power of p will be 4. Again, q is present here 3 times and here 1 time, so power of q will be also 4. So answer of the third part will be minus 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4. Okay, now coming to the last part of this question, x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube multiplied by x to the power 4. So here we have no number, only the variable x is present. So we'll write the variable x here. Now we'll see how many times x is present. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you add this, we will get the power of x. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 times x is present. So the answer of the fourth part will be x to the power 10. Okay. So this was all about number 3. Thank you, students.